Now it's time to reassemble the movement. We'll start off by putting the springs back onto the winding arbors. This is the going train spring that we cleaned and lubricated in a previous video. We'll now tighten it up and put a mainspring clamp on to hold it in place. That's right. Now reverse the flow of the spring winder until the tension is held by the mainspring clamp. Now we can remove the going side spring. We'll now repeat the process for the strike side. Hook on the bottom, and wind up the strike side spring onto the arbor. Get it tight so we can put a mainspring clamp on it. Okay. Reverse the spring winder and slowly unwind so that the tension on the spring is taken by the mainspring clamp. Take it out of the spring winder. Another loop end spring is ready to be installed. A quick run down each side to remove any burrs from the filing. Now, right, that looks better. I'll take that out. Now we have to do the worn wheel lever. I'm going to turn it around a little bit and make it a bit more accessible for me. And we'll take slight bumps out. Smooth that off. Now I'll buff it a couple of times with a 1200 grit stick to get it smooth. Right. Now for the cam wheel lever. That also needs to be smooth, it's flattened off. Light filing, we don't want to take too much off. Just want to smooth it off again. Once again, we'll run over that with a 1200 grit stick. Final polish and smooth. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Right. We're ready to put the movement back together again now. Right, let's put the springs in first. Strike side spring. Goes here. There, there. Now the going side spring goes on there. And got him. Slides in there. A little bit over. Down. Right. Now the motion works. Goes there. That wheel goes there. Go under there. It's got it. Now, that lever goes there. The strike lever and the warning lever and the cam lever go in there under there. Right. We'll put the hammer on. It's the hammer. Now we'll put the top plate on with the escapement wheel. sit on top there. And then slowly that one and that one. Then drop it down to the pinhole down there. Right, that's everything in place at the moment. Now we have to get it all tied down.